Let's take a look the Avalanche targets updates with my custom micro set. So guys, all targets still relevant. I'm still waiting the drop a little bit lower. If we not hold the line inside this red block, what's marked since I guess January 23, we can be in troubles and we can crash much lower, even to $3.97. Yes, it's approximately this level is going to be 377, 375 maybe. So this can be the fulfill of monthly block, monthly gap. What we leave it since January 21. And yes, we can be in a really big troubles, guys. And from now, it can be the drop approximately like 62%. I hope it will not happen, but if it will, maybe the Avalanche will be one more token for the spot, which I would like to buy at 350, for example, 370 for a spot position. So if we hold the line here inside this block, because we get this FIP, what I tracked since zone 21, this one, February 21. This is a accumulation block, this is accumulation was block, this is accumulation block, and we hold the line pretty good one with retested till penny 27 level, not even a block, and we come back again. So take a look how the price respect the level. So here was a drop, bounce to yearly open, zone 25 and 38 level by FIP, and we crash it down again. This is just hypothetical downtrend line, which we will retest it again. It's just a matter of time when, and depends of when it will be the price. Because, for example, if we retest in June zone 26, it's 33.45. For example, if we retest it in December zone 27, it's going to be 14.75. So you understand the logic of this hypothetical downtrend line. So it's so crucial for us to hold a line here. If not, guys, there's a daily gap, the weekly gap, there is a monthly gap. So a lot of gaps, imbalance, what we can come back and close, right? That's why if the market makers got a plan to deliver the price of Avalanche to the fulfill, yes, we can be in the big troubles now. That's why over the year, I'm not touching the spot position anymore. That's why now I'm speculating only with the futures. So, and recommend you do the same, because the DCA, it's not a solution. With the altcoins, it doesn't work. So we just waste the stable coins. So work with the zone. Now, if you feel comfortable accumulating the zone up to your own risk, like 12, 51, 886, you can do this one. I don't want to touch the AVAX for now. Also, I don't see any setup now for the futures. So just in case, guys, let's hide the FIP. I don't want to talk about a global plans now for the Avalanche. I would like to focus now about a local one on the daily, especially. What we can see with indicators at ADZ direction. Highly recommend you use the dashboard here. This one all in one place. You can adjust the time frames. What we can see daily. Here's a accumulation, and basically we're in a divergency, but we can drop in even bigger divergency. That's a problem. Now, some type of accumulation on the daily, weekly, we also in accumulation with divergency. Yes, it's good, but I wish to see the 741 would be good. So just to be honest, to grab all this liquidity pool, this sell side liquidity, and form divergency on a weekly and rebound. Technically, of course, it's not a time to out of AVAX if we talk about investments. Time to out was here, and at least here, and at least again here. Now it's time for accumulation. Some accumulation since January, beginning of January, by whales based on direction indicator. 12 time frame, also we're in accumulation. So everything looks more bullish than bearish, but just a matter of time when we bounce. And of course, guys, if, for example, you want to buy now at $10, just set 20, withdraw initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. So like you can see, a lot of signals, bullish one. Monthly, that's kind of scary because, we're not so far from the neutral zone, not in accumulation, not of course in distribution, but it's kind of like neutral. That's why, guys, if the market makers want to dump on retails and send us to hell, we can drop to the full field and into accumulation zone on ADZ on a monthly. Based on the direction, like you can see, we still not touch at the bottom. That's why, yes, now everything depends of Donald Trump, what he gonna do with Iran. And I hope the altcoins, some of altcoins still survive this cycle and rebound. Market smooth, it's capitulation. So congrats everybody who fixed a profit here in A3 zone. Now it's capitulation, total depression. Nobody want to trade it, nobody want to watch the videos, nobody want to check the analysis, nothing. So people don't want to touch even the crypto now, and so maybe it can be the great time for accumulation. But keep in mind, accumulate only if you have a plan. If you feel comfortable accumulate at $10.54, you can do this one, but be ready to see, for example, a 90-60% drop. Right, let's close this one. Money power. Some accumulation here, January, today, the last day of January, some accumulation, but it's not the main one. One of the main one was here in November at 12:57. So I wish to see another money inflow. So let's add alert to the money inflow and track it. Now nothing. Monthly. Some money inflow only now. Imagine, wow, first time in history on the Binance, since this stock and listed on the Binance September 20, we see the money inflow into Avalanche after the 6 years. Of course, we not count that time because there was no data, no analysis on the monthly. It was a money inflow on the weekly, on a daily. That's why we pump it. It was a bull run after the COVID dump. Now. So all this time period, since the top of November 21, you could not touch the AVAX, and only now, based on money power indicator, only now start step by step accumulate. Not at $100, not at $80, not at $50, not only at $10.51. Only now you can start use the DCA. So it could make sense. Trade on, sell, no signal take profit. I'm still waiting. A strong buy signal, I waited, and now let's add alert to the buy, take profits from short. Sometimes it's kind of, looks unrealistic one to see that take profit from the short, and we need to rebound immediately. But better wait the signal take profit like this one, for example, for near trigger it, or Bitcoin Cash trigger, but it was a bullish take profit. The same way, or we can see that take profit from the sales. Done. And so I'm waiting on the weekly time frame. Here's a daily also was a sell, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position. So soon we could see another signal to buy. Last indicator, guys, is take profit. This is a negative scenario. The buy line for AVAX now $9.10 for the value of the stock and $6.76. Weekly time frame, we underrated, so it's bullish. So we oversold, on the fundamental line. Its fundamental line was 12.35. So one day, with that drop or without, we will rebound to the take profit line. At this current moment, it's 32.95. Daily time frame, take profit line 18.07, and exit line 20.53. So once again, I repeat. If you would like to buy now, you should be ready to see the potential 60% drop to the monthly full field if something unpredictable happen in the world. One take. Also, be ready to withdraw initial deposit at exit line. 12 time frame, the buy line retest. It's 8.67, and value on the 12 time frame 6.50. Take profit line 17.09. Exit line 19.20. I'm still waiting there. A little bit drop, and after that maybe at some of the buy lines on the daily or on the 12 time frame, I will take an action and maybe open the futures position with the leverages. The spot position, I explained it. My idea where I will touch the AVAX if it will happen. If not, I just keep the talking. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you'd like to add the same alerts like I did in this video and trade with this custom maker set, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Motegam Show. See you next time, guys.